welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a creative look. We are going to be trying the cloud trend. I saw Nikki Tutorials and Nicole Guerrero create this look, and I saw so many looks on Instagram. Really inspired to try it. So what we're gonna do today, I already have my base on, my concealer, powder, eyebrows on. So what I'm going to be doing is a voiceover. So yeah, so if you like this video, just keep on watching.
Alright, so we're going to be using this Morphe 12P palette, and we're going to be using the blues on this palette. There's like a light blue and like a darker blue, and we're just going to work that into the crease because, you know, I wanted to do one side blue, like the color of the sky, and then we're using this more Moda crease brush, and we're just going to blend all that beautifully together. So then we're grabbing this Luxie crease brush, and this is a clean brush, and we're just going to clean out all the edges, buff all that out, and make it seem beautiful. So then we're grabbing that deeper blue, and then we're just popping that into the crease again to just really deepen that so we can start forming the clouds. So now I'm just grabbing the Kat Von D Lock-It concealer. I'm grabbing this concealer because it's really light, and I didn't have any white concealer. So then I'm grabbing this Morphe brush. It's a really small brush, but it's perfect, like especially if you're carving out stuff. So basically what I'm doing here is just forming the clouds, and I'm just being very careful and precise. So yeah, so you could use any brush, any concealer. If you have white concealer, it'll be even more better, but I didn't have anything, so I started to use this concealer. So now grabbing one of my favorite palettes by ABH Norvina Palette. I'm grabbing that beautiful periwinkle, and we're just going to pop that onto the other side. I wanted like a blue and purple eye. I'm not sure. I just was feeling those colors to make this look. And yeah, so we're just going to build that into the crease. And we're using the brush that actually comes inside that palette. Now going back with that Morphe palette, I'm going in with that purple, that little dark purple, and then we're just going to pop that into the crease to really deepen up that purple. now grabbing this Wet n Wild white with sparkly, I don't remember the name of it, but I'll leave it down in the description box. So basically I'm just going to go in and basically outline where we carved out the clouds to just make it seem kind of 3D looking, and yeah. Now going in with this NYX Jumbo eyeliner pencil, we're just going to pop that into the waterline. And what I also forgot to show you guys is that I used the Makeup Forever Star lip powders, and I put that where the clouds were to really have like a sparkling effect, and it really brightens up the clouds. I'm sorry I didn't show it, but basically that's what I did. And then going back in with the blue and the purple, we're just putting that into the lower crease as well. Now using these Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit, and we're just going to pop that into my lashes and also my lower lashes. I really like this mascara. I've just started using it, but I feel like it actually helps your lashes look fuller and longer, so I highly recommend that you get the mascara. And then also with this NYX liquid liner in purple, I started doing like these stars on the eyes, just to give it more like a creative sky seem like sky. And yeah, so we're just going to draw some stars onto the eyes. Going in with this Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia. We're going to be using this shade here, and we're just going to highlight the face. Then I really wanted to go with like a nude lip to really bring out the eyes. I went in with this Kylie Jenner Creme Brulee lipstick. I really love this lipstick. It's a beautiful nude. And then now going in with this NYX and Wet n Wild liquid liner in the purple and in a pink. I just wanted to do some faux freckles, and yeah. And we're just gonna pop these freckles on. So yeah guys, that completes this look here. I hope you guys enjoyed this creative look that I did, and I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.